on Chapter 3, Learning Target 3. This is Miss Osier.
And Miss Lahar.
And here we go. So we're adding, subtracting, etc. functions. Notice they're telling us two different functions, and they're saying, hey, let's add those.
There's two ways you can see it. So if you look at number 1, that's one way they'll write it, g plus h and x. And then if you look at number 2, that's the other way they can write it. Both mean the same thing. They want you to add those two functions together.
So look at that. I add them. Technically, I would put them in parentheses if we wanted to do best practice, but with addition, it doesn't really matter because you're going to have a positive 1 and the parentheses are going to disappear. But that matters for subtraction. That's why I'm bringing it up.
So you simplify, so there I can combine, and then remember you should write it in standard form.
Boom.
Okay, that one we're adding g, we're adding f, so that...
Whoop, sorry.
3a minus 2a would be, and look at the notation. You have to write the notation, g of a plus f of a equals. That's what we're looking for.
Pretty answers.
Yes, don't just write the expression itself.
A squared plus a minus 5, because that's not a function.
Right.
It needs to be equal to.
Right. That will get you a 3, not a 4.
Mm-hmm.
All right, subtraction has the issues.
Okay, you have to remember to put parentheses around anything other than a monomial.
Yep. Because you have to distribute the negative.
Because you're subtracting this entire thing.
Which means you have to distribute negative.
Yeah.
So there I go, distributing my negative. And then you write it in standard form. So the 4n minus 2n gave me the positive 2n, and then I brought them, standard form. Beautiful, beautiful.
This video is basically notation. You guys should know how to do this stuff.
Yep.
It's just the notation.
It might be a little different from what you've seen. All right, this one, so we're subtracting that. That's pretty simple. So the final answer.
It's a monomial, so you really don't have to do the parentheses. But again, we're showing you best practice.
T squared minus 6t.
Boom.
All right, this I thought that we deserved a little bit of a reminder.
A little bit.
A little bit. Okay, we got to multiply.
So we're multiplying the binomial quantity, t cubed plus 5t, times the binomial quantity, 4t plus 1, which looks like this. And when you see it like this, you should very much know not to just do this times this. You should know to do double distribution. T cubed times 4t is 4t to the 4th. T cubed times 1, yep, we're doing that thing, people.
5t times 4t is 20t squared. 5t times 1 is 5t. You combined anything you can, but you can't. So there's your final answer, which you would write it next to the gt times ht just to make sure.
Equals all that beautifulness. Okay. So here, again, you're going to be double distributing. You know how to do this. You're doing this times this times this.
You add your exponents if you're multiplying.
This times this.
Beautiful. Can you simplify? No. Moving on. There you go.
That's it. Have a great day. We'll see you in class.